Hi, good evening, family and friends. It's me, Letty. I'm here because I wanted to show you some teas. I have never tasted these teas. This is actually my first time. Very grateful that these were dropped off to me so that I can taste them. I have a mango slushy, pink dragon, strawberry champagne, this is raspberry, and orange dream sign. Then I have a sweet lemon matcha green tea. So I wanted to show you how simple it is to brew these. I have this cup here from when Teavana was open. They're no longer open. Let me show you what the cup looks like. So it has this little tea thing. I'm new to this, so bear with me. So it has this little tea thing, and I believe you put the tea in here, and then you put your water, and you put it on like this, and drink out of it like this. So we're gonna make some tea.